Come on there. Chat, we back live, chat, with another stream, and today we cooking seafood lasagna. Tap in and show love, chat. Tap in and show love. Chat. We back, chat. We back, chat. With another chicken chat. We back with another chicken show, chat. And today, chat, we'll be cooking seafood lasagna. We got our shrimp, our peeled shrimp, chat. We got our crab meat, chat. We got our crawfish, chat. We got our mozzarella cheese. You know I like my stuff. Appreciate the gift. You know I like my stuff cheesy, chat. And we got some Colby Jack cheese, chat. Some cream cheese. Some shredded cheese. Garlic. Heavy whipping. Somewhere around here. Heavy whipping. A little bit of half and half, chat. Chat. Oh, come on there. See how it tastes. I ain't gonna lie, it's good, chat. It look good. It smell good. Try. Chat. I did cook. I'm gonna be honest, chat. I did cook this before. The first time I cook it, I fuck it up. I'm gonna be honest, cause I ain't gonna finish all of that. Chat. The first time I did this, I fuck it up. Right? That was like a couple of years ago. Man, chat. Oh, chat. It's really good, chat. Boy, I ain't even lying. It is good. Give me another plate, chap.